Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this video. This video is going to be all about the new CoverFx primers. If you didn't know, CoverFx came out with 5 different primers and they're considered the super primers. So I got this box like right before Christmas, I think it was, and I was just like, oh okay, I didn't know they were coming out with primers. I was like, okay, that's kind of cool. I threw it to the side and then here it is, the new year. So we're going to be talking about these and where you can buy them and when they launch and all that other stuff. So if that is something you're interested in, then please keep on watching. Okay, so there, like I mentioned, are 5 different primers. I am going to just like do a little swatch of each of them so you know what they look like and everything like that. But there's no real way to do like an individual like first impression, you know, unless I put them on different areas of my face, which that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. So, okay, so they're super primers. They're clean ingredients, superior benefits, and supreme textures. So each primer has a different type of like thing, like a different consistency and targeted area. So the first one is the pollution protector, which will be really good if you live in like areas where it's like high pollution, like big cities like Chicago, LA, New York, places like that. It says it's a water cloud primer, which I need to find that one. Water cloud. Okay, so the name is water cloud primer, and it's a weightless cooling mousse that refreshes skin and helps defend against pollution, environmental stressors, and blue light rays. Water cloud primer creates an ultra smooth canvas for flawless makeup application, perfect for all skin types, especially those who are ingredient conscious and cognizant of pollution effects on skin. So this is for the person that knows how harmful the air and the sun is on your skin. This is something that you could wear just for like as a moisturizer type of thing. This is what it looks like. This is a white, it's like a white bottle, and it is squeezy tube, which I like, and it's supposed to be a mousse. So let's actually see like the texture. Oh yeah, it is moussey. It is like a mousse. It doesn't have like a distinct smell. I'm gonna put it on my forehead. I'm gonna wipe that off. It doesn't have like a distinct smell. It feels nice. It does have that that moussey kind of, not thick, but a moussier texture. But yeah, that one's pretty nice. So this is like the pollution and blue light defense. So that's the first one. The second one is the makeup gripper. So this is the gripping primer, that is the name, and it's more so firming. So it's an innovative jelly texture that creates a smooth glass-like finish on the skin and grips makeup for flawless application and long wear. Like double-sided tape, the formula instantly makeup grips to skin, creating an ultra smooth, supple canvas without any tacky residue after makeup application. So this is for all skin types. So the gripper, like I feel like with these primers, like actually I'm gonna leave them out of the box. I feel like with these primers, this is something that you could just kind of like layer on top of each other. You know what I mean? Like the gripper, I would definitely use this one because I need like that jelly texture that creates a smooth glass-like finish, and it grips the makeup. Like, you know, something that's tacky, that's gonna, oh yeah, it's definitely like a jelly. Ooh, it's sticky too. Oh, it's really sticky. Do you see that? Can you see that? That's really sticky. Okay, let's put this on my chin. Okay, so I really like that one. I really like that one. I like that one more than the pollution protector. This one is tacky. So I know that when I apply my foundation, it's gonna stick and adhere to that primer. I actually really like this one. This is one that I would apply forehead, jaw, chin, and nose. Like that is where I would apply this one. I like that one. I really like that one. Okay, so the next one is the Moisture Maximizer, the Dewy Skin Primer. A rich primer infused with peptides and hyaluronic acid that nourishes and helps hydrate skin, leaving a dewy, radiant finish for up to 24 hours. Creates an ultra smooth canvas for perfect or flawless makeup application, perfect for normal to dry skin. So this one is one that I probably would use right now. Wintertime, you know, switching up primers when I want that dewy kind of look. This is definitely something that I would use. This one's come in a light baby blue. The Pollution comes in a lilac, and the Gripping comes in like a tan, like a grayish kind of color. So this one is like a clear. It's not as sticky as the Gripping, but it comes in a clear texture as well. Put this on my jaw. Okay, so this is oil. This is oil, so can you see my hands? Can you see the side? Can you see that the leftover oil? Have you guys ever used that Johnson & Johnson jelly oil? That's kind of what it feels like. It's not as thick, but it is definitely like shiny. It's definitely for someone with dry, really dry, normal to dry skin that wants that dewy kind of look. That's definitely a good one for that. So the Breakout Banisher comes in a green box. This is the mattifying primer. So like I said, like I would probably be using like 3 of these primers, and I'm really blessed to have 3. But this one is a weightless gel that mattifies skin, minimizes the appearance of pores, and treats acne with 1% salicylic acid. Creates an ultra smooth canvas for flawless makeup application, perfect for combo oily acne prone skin. So this is supposed to assist with acne. So if you have like a couple of bumps here and there, I don't think I have any right now, this would assist with that. And it also mattifies, and it's a gel. You know, a lot of the mattifying primers, like, I hope this isn't like overly drying. Can't get the little tab off. I hope it's not overly drying, but I hope it's dry enough. Let's see. I'm gonna put this on my nose. Oh yeah, this is definitely a gel. So it's not like the Becca Ever Matte, how that one is really, really, like once you apply it, it just kind of, like this one isn't like that. This one actually even feels a little more moisturizing than I would expect. I don't know how I feel about this one yet. I feel like this one I would have to use like when I go out or something, because on my nose it doesn't give me that suction like feeling, which could be great for someone who doesn't like when it gets like when primers get overly drying. It could be great, but for me, like this feels a little like I shouldn't be able to like rub across my nose. Like that's personally how I feel, at least for me. I like for my stuff to be like, you know. So last but not least is the blurring primer, which we all have pores. We all have large pores. So, well, not everybody, but you know. This one is a blurring primer. It is a weightless silicone-based balm that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other skin imperfections for a soft focus filter effect. Creates an ultra smooth canvas for flawless makeup application and extended wear. Perfect for all skin types, especially those with large pores or texture concerns. That's me all day. All day, even though I Facetune the hell out of my face, that's still me all day. So I think this is gonna be my favorite. This comes in a pink bottle. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, yes. Right there. Right there. So this definitely feels thicker than the CoverFx one that I really, really like. This is CoverFx. So this one kind of smells a little medicated. But this one feels a lot better than the blurring primer to me. Like a lot thicker. I absolutely love that CoverFx blurring primer, but I think this is gonna take the cake for me. Oh yeah. No complaints at all. Okay, you guys, so I have two favorites. So I thought that I would really like the Breakout Banisher, but y'all, the gripping primer and the soft focus primer, these, I'm just gonna sit back and put you on some game. These are what you guys need. Okay, so I really like this makeup gripping one because it was tacky, and I know that if I apply that to my face and go directly into foundation, it's going to grip it and it's going to stick. I love a tacky base, so I know that my foundation has something that it's adhering to. But I also love this soft focus primer because I have really large pores in the cheek area, and just by patting it and smoothing it into the skin, it looks so much better. Like I just absolutely love pore minimizing blurring primers. Like, I don't really use my Benefit Professional anymore because I've been using the CoverFx one a lot, and now that they came out with this one, like, this one might even take over the other one that I was using. Like, I just love CoverFx's primers. Like, they're actually really great. And I remember the Makeup Forever one that everyone was like raving about. That one I still love, but I don't pick it up nearly as much as I picked up the blurring primer. And now this one's gonna take that cake, and I'm gonna use this. So this is what I'm gonna do. I just did a foundation routine, so I'm not gonna like do my foundation or anything. So my face is cleansed. I just removed all the makeup, everything like that. Eyeshadow's done, everything like that. So what I would first go in with is the gripping primer. I would take about a quarter size of that, and I'd rub it in my hands. It's pretty tacky, so you don't really need to rub it in my hands, but I kind of go like this, and then I put some on my forehead and my cheek and my chin and my nose, and then I would go in secondary and apply the blurring primer directly into the cheek area, because I don't really need my makeup to be like really gripped under here, and I don't want it to be like really dry either. So by applying it just right in here, I think that'll be fine for me. And then everywhere else where I really want to make sure that it stays on, like my forehead, above the brows, the chin area, the nose area, is where I would apply that makeup gripper, and I think it's gonna stay. I'm really excited to try this tomorrow. I'm really excited, and I'll make sure that I like add it in a comment down below. So if you want to know like my thoughts and everything like that, not my thoughts, but like if you want to know how it worked for me using foundation and everything like that, then I'll leave that down in a comment down below because this is a pre-filmed video, and then go from there. So I'm really excited. Thank you so much to CoverFx for sending this to me. I am so thankful. I'm so excited. You can buy these. So it's on CoverFx's website now, so late December, which is done, and it'll be in Sephora and Ulta mid-January. So I'm actually getting this up early. I thought I was late. Hey. And it retails for $38. So if you have those Ulta gift cards from Christmas, make sure you pick these up, whatever it may be. For two of them, it'd be like what, like $76? Yeah, $76. So that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, so how about this? If I had to pick one primer, what would I pick? Based off of what's already in my collection, I would pick the gripping primer. If I had to pick one primer, go in the store, like, okay, Lonyea, give us the tea. Let us know which one we need to buy based on my skin concerns. And I'm kind of like normal. I'm like combo. So like I'm normal all around here and then oily in my nose area. So I personally would go with the gripping primer. Like, if I had to tell you guys to go pick up one, I think you guys would really enjoy the gripping primer, because I'm sure you guys already have blurring primers in your collection. I have like 10 of them, because that is something, not 10, but probably 10. But that is a concern for me, so that is something that I'm always picking up, always looking for the newest, best one. So it's not like I need this, but this gripping primer is innovative. Like, no one else has a gripping primer. No one else has a jelly-like texture that's tacky, that's going to like not cut through, but like stick to your foundation. No one has that. Also, I do think someone has a water cloud primer. I feel like I've done a review on that. Vichy. Vichy has a water cloud moisturizer. And everyone has a Dewy Skin Primer and a mattifying primer. I didn't really like the mattifying primer too much, but the Dewy Skin Primer I like because I would never buy it. Like, I would never go to the store and buy it, but if you have normal to dry skin, it's kind of like, it leaves like a nice sheen. Like, didn't it say, it did say, no, that was the gripping that has a jelly-like texture. Okay, but that one leaves like a nice little sheen. Like, you can't see, like, it doesn't look like too oily. It looks nice though, but if I had to pick one, go pick up the gripping primer. I think you'd like that one the best. I'm done rambling and ranting. If you want to see this makeup tutorial, I'll list it at the end of this video. Hopefully I like it and it'll go up. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon.